Hello friends, welcome to Let's Do It. As part of the Python interview question series, I will discuss the solutions to the important and tricky Python questions asked during the interview process. Okay, without delay, let's jump into the main part of this video. Okay, the question asked here is to find the sum of the digits in a given number. Let's try to solve this. Let's assume that the given number is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, what is the expected output? The expected output is sum of all these numbers. So 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15. 15 is the expected answer. Let's do it with Python. So we can do it in multiple ways. Okay, the interviewer may ask you to use str. Without str, he may ask you to write using the while loop or for loop. Let's try to solve all this. Okay, now with using the str, how we can solve this? It's very simple. For I in str of number. So before that, I have to initialize the one variable to 0, so that in each iteration when one of the number comes from the given number, I can add it to the total. Total equal to total plus of I int total. So 15 is the answer. Here why I am using str? Without str, can't I use without str? Yes, you can use, but the thing is it will not work in this logic. Okay, here I am iterating in the for loop. When you are using the for loop, you cannot iterate over an integer number. Okay, let's try to see what happens when we do that. You may get type error. See what it is saying, integer object is not iterable. Okay, that is the reason we are converting it to the string, and the string objects are iterable, and then for each item I am again converting it back to integer and I am adding it to the total. You can see what is the value of I during the each iteration. Okay, this is how it works. This is one way of doing. Let's see how we can use while to solve this. Okay, before that we have to understand some certain mathematical operations in Python. You have to understand the remainder function and floor division. Okay, let's say the number is 1 2 3 4 5. Now what actually this remainder operation does is it gives the remainder. Okay, what is the remainder operator? This is the percentage is the remainder operator. So 12 percentage 10, what it gives? It gives 2. 1 2 3 4 5 percent 10, it gives me 5. 99% 10, it gives me 9. And one more operator which you have to know is floor division. What it does, let's see what it does. float division 10, 1 2 3 4. So what it is doing is it is dividing the entire number by 10 and removing the floating point. So normal division will give me the floating point value. So this float division is doing, what it is doing is it is removing this one and it is returning only 1 2 3 4. Okay, likewise you can see what exactly it does. Okay, so it is not rounding the floating value to a higher value. Now let's use these two operators in our while loop to solve the given question. Here also I am assigning variable total to 0. Well, okay, before explaining this, I will tell you how the logic of solving this. Okay, so how I am going to solve this problem is, so the given number is 1 2 3 4 5 percent 10, it gives me 5. This I will add to total. Total equal to 0 plus 5. Then after this I will float divide the same number by 10 so that my output will be 1 2 3 4 and I will override the number with this value. And again what I will do, my number is 1 2 3 4 and I will get the remainder for this. What is the remainder? 4 is my remainder and I will add it to the total. What is my total? 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 1 2 3 4 float divide by 10. I will get 1 2 3 and I will assign to number, and the number is 1 2 3. Remainder I will get 3. This I will add to the total. So what is my total? Total is 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 1 2 3 float divided by 10 will give me 12 and assign this to number. My number is 12. So like this I will do till the number becomes 0. 2 total equal to 12 plus 2, 14. 10 value is 1. Now 1%, what is the value of 1% 10? It will give me 1. Let's check that. 1% 10, 1. 9% 10, 9. Okay, total equal to 14 plus 1 equal to 15. 1 float division 10. What is the value? 0 is the value. Okay, so 0. So I will write a condition in the while loop saying that if it is 0 or if it is iterate the loop only when the number is greater than 0. That will be my while conditions. That will be my while condition. So let's try to use this logic. While number is greater than 0. So iterate when number is greater than 0. Remainder equal to number by 10. What I am doing, I am adding it to the total plus remainder. Now instead of this I can use I can use this notation also, plus equal to, this is same as total equal to total plus remainder. And then what I have to do, number flow division, number equal to number by 10, and again I can do this. This is same like number equal to number plus number equal to number division 10. Then finally print total. Let's see what is the output. So I am getting 15. Let's try with some other integer. 1 3 5 7 9 25 10 20 25. Yeah, okay. Now we have seen using string, without using string, and using while loop. How can we solve using the for loop? Yeah, we can use the same logic, but the thing is the for loop should be, we have to use the logic such that the for loop should be iterated based on the number of digits in the given number. How can I do that? Okay, so to find that, first I have to use a for loop, first I have to find the number of iterations that it has to iterate. How can I do that? I can use the length, but length cannot be applied on integers. So what I will do, I will convert the number to the string, and then I will find the length of the given number. Print length of number. So the given, there are 5, this is a 5-digit number, that is what it is printing here. Okay, now we will use this logic. For I in range 0, the str of 38. Yeah, that's right. So this is how you can solve the given question. Hope you understood. If you have any other doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. If you have any other if you need any other solution to any other Python question, you can ask me in the comment section. I am happy to help you in my later videos. Thank you. Please like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel.